Good day, guys. Hi. Today I found something new, something very interesting on the Facebook. That's waterless water. It's a detailer. I ordered 3 bottles actually. I really do not know how it works, and I was waiting for some time to get my car or my cab dirt. It get dirty, so I just want to try it out. Even this, I don't know which I'm going to try out. I'm going to try out with this Lexus white one or the Navara D40 silver color. I prefer to check this with Navara. So it says Purewax waterless wash detailer, one step application for professional grade detailing. So the description you can read it actually. So as usual, I'm not going to spend reading the whole thing over here. I'm going to shake it very well until it get mixed with all meats. I also ordered 2 Purewax microfiber cloth. So and also it comes with a very handy guide. So basically you need to follow 5 steps. So the first steps, it says in park the vehicle in the shade and make sure panels are cool and touch. So it is, because it's very dark, cloudy, and I'm not going to take into the garage right now or into the shade, because this shade is more than enough for me. Step 2, it says starting at the top of the vehicle, as this is usual the cleanest part. Okay, let me check. In my cases, this would be the most dirtiest place, the rooftop. So the third, it says using your microfiber cloth, wipe lightly in one direction. So but what it says, once you spray it, it's wipe it smoothly in one direction. The fourth, it says, the fourth step is with a new new microfiber cloth, so you just need to buffering, so basically get the shine out of it. The fifth one, it says repeat this process on all panels, bumpers, headlights and grills. Lately apply the Purewax to your rims, wheel, turn the tire to the off position, right? So basically this is the spray thing that need to make it off position, so once the work's done. So when I talk to the the salesperson, so what she was saying is this can be used multiple times, and this is 474 milliliter is more than enough to clear your clean your vehicle 6 times. So I bought this for how much it says, 2350 rupees, Sri Lankan rupees. Let me try it out, because I have seen it has many reputations in USA and in Europe. So basically this is imported by Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand and Taiwan. Apparently R&R Marketing International Private Limited, it is in Negombo. So let's try it out. I'm gonna try it out and then gonna show you guys the effect of it. If it is work good, very nice. If not, just spend the money or waste of money. Better you go to a normal car detailing place and get it done. Let's start to do this then. So shake well and spray. And like this, let me first spray over the bonnet. Right, now I'm gonna use which one? I'm gonna use the red color microfiber cloth. Fold it like this. So I'm going to, as they instructed, I'm gonna wipe it in one direction. There you go, something promising, but I'm not sure. So I have some dirt over here. at this dirts. Spray on my headlights to shell the front part. Keep it there. In one direction. Bonnet visor. So let me see whether it's easy for me to use, or will I get the end results as they promised, or it's just a waste of money. But I feel like something's happening, but I'm not really sure about it. So I'm worried about that, how many bottles that I have to spend for to complete the whole my truck. Okay, as they said, it's all done here, right? So I'm going to use the green microfiber cloth now to buff it, and this is what they says to buff. So I'm going to do that. Uh-oh. You know what? It works, but it does not really, do a better cleaning with these spots. So if you have oh wait, let me see. I think I need to do a good buffing on this. So then, yeah, it works actually. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the whole clean, I'm going to do the full clean of the truck, and then see how many bottles it needs, and then whether will I be able to achieve it with one bottle, or does it require more than a bottle to do that. This is waterless wash. Huh? No.
Dada,
Huh?
when my jeep didn't breathe, I didn't push shutters and doors. I came to the help. So I just kept. I like that. Just a tie here. Oh, Dada. Dada.
So finally I'm gonna spray over the ring. So look guys, I have done complete detailing with the Purewax. As it promised, it gives you good looks. It cleans, it's really waterless. It just spray a few puffs and it's helps to remove the it helps to remove the dirts, but not very, you know, the greasy thing. Yeah, but in one extent it one way bit acceptable, but I don't think it is really durable for big truck like this. Small car like very small sedan or the hatchback car, it would do it. So but in the end I feel like it's budget wise it's a failed product. To be honest, frankly speaking, it's a failed product in budget wise. Look at this, how much is left in this container. So this is all what is left right now. The marketing says this for 474 milliliter. This is very sufficient for at least 5 to 6 times or 3 to 4 times, but you can see the results. You can imagine, you know. So this will take nothing. It's just a waste of money. It's just a waste of money, because spending of 2,350 USD, it's almost 15, no, how much, yeah, almost $10, no, it's $11-12 kind of. So you know what, I really wanted to have both of my cars clean by the Purewax from a single bottle, but apparently it's just a dream, man. I would have taken this to a car wash and then pay 1,000 rupees at least and then get washed and cleaned. So budget wise it's a fail, but otherwise I have satisfaction. If I rate it from 1 to 10, I would give you I would give for this product 4 out of 10. That's what I can do from the product perspective, but from budget perspective, oof, zero, man. So since the product itself, it says it's a water repealer, dust repealer and mist, and then the dirts, I'm going to spray some water in it and then see it really do that. Yes, it works, but not 100%. It repel to a certain extent, but not as the product talk about.